Hey dude, what's in that bag?
You know what's in my bag? Check it out.
It's November and we are going on a winter trek. Or let's say it's just the beginning of winter. So let me show you what we've got in here. Let's start with the head. That's the day cap with the flaps. Followed by the neck. These are the layers for the day. Neck warmers, and these are for the night. One is a balaclava to cover my head. The thermals, I've got them from Decathlon, the Wedzi. And since the temperature is already on a single digit and it may go on sub-zero temperature, I have some more layers of fleece, a sweater, a jacket to protect myself, of course. There's a power bank which I might need to click some pictures on my phone, so I need to charge my phone. A power bank, well, I don't carry cameras, it's a lot to carry myself on the mountains and then click pictures with big cameras. So I'm a happy person with phones. That's a raincoat. You can use poncho, but I prefer raincoat. It's easier to wear and not, of course, as easy as poncho, but it covers a lot of your body than the poncho does. That's my towel, which can be used during the travel, before, after the travel. Gloves, these gloves are best. I've tested them in -26 and trust me, nothing can beat it. Woolen socks, these are the best socks. You know why? Because these contain a layer of fleece inside, and these you can just find on any hill station in the northern part of India, because these are hand woven. These are made by the people living on the mountains, the Pahadi people. Wow, isn't it? Again, I've tested them with at Goichala trek in November, and these are the best body warmers, or feet warmers. There's just one bottle here now. I'll be adding one more bottle. That's a 2-liter flask, and then there'll be one more flask in there, of course, to carry it during our day. Socks, a couple of them, my undies. These are my track pants, though you may not need as many, but then since we are going after Sandakpur, we are going to Darjeeling for 2 days, so carrying a little extra, but I might leave them at the base before starting the trek. T-shirts, I've carried various t-shirts. Some are full sleeves, some are half sleeves, and these ensure if you have multi-layered t-shirts, then of course it helps you in keeping yourself warm. It depends how cold you feel generally. Every body type is different, so there's no hard and fast rule. Generally, we change 2 to 3 days once we change the t-shirts. So it's a 6-day trek. Just 3 t-shirts should be enough. But as I said, I'm going on a trip as well, so it's better to have some. But I'm not going to make it heavier for the mules, since they'll be carrying my backpack. Yeah, so you got to be considerate. That's a lunch box. When we carry packed lunch, it will help us have the food in it, carry it, and steel, because it's easier to wash, and of course try and avoid plastic as much as possible. There's a spoon. Also, I'll be adding a mug. I'm just looking for it where I've kept it at home. Glares, it's winter, so there's some expectation that we'll be seeing some snow, or we might also walk on snow, depends, but either way, so a polarized sunglasses is any day preferred. Knee braces, ankle braces, I wear them because I don't want to injure my knee or feet or ankle, so it's better that I wear them, and I always have a practice of wearing them. If you're comfortable, if you want, you can, else it's just fine. Some toiletries, some first aid. There'll be a lot more adding into this first aid in a while. There's a headlamp, of course it's required when we go to the washroom, if you're trekking in the night, anytime, or you can just hang it in a tent. That's my rucksack. This was gifted to me by my cousin. That's from Baroda, and it's Sham Theli Bandar. That's where I got it from. I got the gift from. That's the forms that we are supposed to submit about our medical history, medical certificate, etc. And these shoes. These are the best shoes I've ever used. Though this is a new pair, I've just used it on Kalsubai trek, but I had a similar pair of them which I've used for last 5 years, Trust me, nothing can beat this shoe. This contains everything you need. That is the tread. The tread is amazing. It gives you good grip. It helps you stay warm. It's so warm that you cannot wear it in cities like Mumbai, Delhi, or any other warmer cities. My trekking poles or trekking sticks, these are the best ones that I have used so far. Get the ones that have good shock absorbing capacity. Along with this, I'll be carrying some dry fruits or nuts, some chocolates, which I'll be packing them in my day pack. So in my day pack, there'll be water bottle, there'll be some warmers if it's cold during the trek, there'll be some nuts, some chocolates, and a little first aid if required. So ta-da! It's all done, and I'm all set to go to the mountains. Bye-bye.